Highly desired, move-in ready, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath brick ranch in Cypress Point. Bright, west/an open concept and spacious floor plan, allowing free movement from one room to another. 3 patios surround the house, providing various places to sit and enjoy views of the golf course, wildlife, lake, and beautiful sunsets. Ideal bedroom separation west/primary bedroom on opposite side of the house from other bedrooms. Large primary bedroom boasts a renovated bathroom west/walk-in shower. Ceramic tile in bathrooms and eat-in kitchen. Hardwood in hallways. Gas fireplace. Easy access to patio from kitchen and primary bedroom. Updates include newer windows, new water heater, and some new carpet. Additional equipment includes a Generac house generator, water softener, sprinkler system, and automatic screens for 2-car garage door and pull screen for personal door.